Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll introduce you to Banalytics dashboards. Whether you're managing business or home security, our customizable dashboards give you quick access to everything you need, from live streams to file storage and more. Let's dive in. With Banalytics, you can easily create custom dashboards tailored to your exact needs. Simply drag and drop the components you want quick access to, whether that's live camera views, file storage, system monitoring, or even P2P access for tracking who accesses your surveillance system and when. Unlike traditional fixed layouts, Banalytics dashboards offer complete flexibility. You can choose the components you need and arrange them however you like. Combine components from multiple servers for a comprehensive view, all without being tied to a rigid grid system. Banalytics also lets you customize dashboards for different roles. For example, a monitoring user might have a dashboard focused on live video feeds and alerts, while a system administrator's dashboard would prioritize system health, camera access, and maintenance logs. Each role gets exactly what it needs, without unnecessary clutter. With Banalytics Dashboard, you can easily manage all your components and tasks from one place, without needing to switch between different screens. You can create or modify the presets you want to monitor. On the camera view, you can quickly check if motion detection, continuous recording, and motion-activated recording are active and running. Additionally, you can choose whether to observe the live feed or view it with motion detection highlights. By clicking the image icon, you can download a snapshot of the current moment from the camera view. By clicking the speaker icon, you can enable or disable live audio from the camera. Another type of dashboard in Banalytics is the map dashboard, which is especially useful if you have surveillance setups in different locations. Simply drag and drop a camera onto the map, then place it at the precise location. To delete a camera, just double-click it with the left mouse button. And that's it. Customize your surveillance experience with Banalytics. Subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.